membicarakan masalah sadapan HP yang diketahui oleh tentara ya. TNI tahu tuh soal sadapan HP. Lalu dicekik. Seperti di film ini.
Since you're here, I was wondering if I could get your blessing to have your daughter's hand in marriage.
You deceived me. Nordal, your own father. You tried to poison me.
That's not as bad as it looks.
I've been gone for less than 2 years, and you're a completely different person. And I know who's to blame.
No, Dad! Stop! Stop!
Cek sambil masuk ke dunia lain, ya.
What is this place?
What's your name, honey?
I'm Joe. I teach middle school band. Got it, go for it! Today started out as the best day of my life.
Back here tonight, first show's at 7.
Yes! Woohoo! You know what that's gonna say? Joe Gardner. I did it. I got the gig.
Must have been sudden for you.
Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Help! I'm not done! Oh my goodness! Huh? Is this heaven?
No, it's the great before. This is where new souls get their personalities, quirks, and interests before they go to Earth.
Meet 22.
I don't want to go to Earth.
Stop fighting this.
I don't want to.
Okay, look, I already know everything about Earth, and I don't want anything to do with it.
You're missing out on the joys of life, like pizza. I can't smell. We can't taste either?
All that stuff is in your body.
No smell, no taste.
Or touch. See?
Okay, I get it. Wow, it's my life.
Is all this living really worth dying for? You're still alive?
Can you help me get back?
No way!
There I am. What are we waiting for?
Wait, not me!
This weird.
What is it?
151,000 souls going to the great beyond every day. And I count every single one of them. The count's off.
Huh.
Emily suka penguin dan penguin itu ada di Samuel.
Look around, what do you see? Books, books. Are you ready to read? Gather round, what do you hear? Books, books. Open up your ears. I'll read to you, you'll sing to me. Books, books. Everybody find a seat. I'll read to you, you'll sing to me. We'll start in 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hidupmu kita terbuka, dibaca sesamamu. Apakah dia pembacanya melihat Yesus dalammu? Nyatakan Yesus.
Hello, Papa.
Slappy, I thought the book got you.
Maybe those others, but not me.
Why is that?
You know I always survive. You wrote me that way. In fact, I wrote my own story while I was gone. And guess what? You're the main character.
No.
You try living in a book for a while, Papa.